Hi, Sunshines. We're at the grocery store. You can tell. So I'm trying to.
Mommy,
Oh,
that's
it. Should I get this one?
You're the baby. I'm
Or
not
should I
baby.
get this one? This is $5.99. This is $5.99. This one is $3.97, and I get 10% off for 2 tests. So, which one do I go? And this one is, you save $1. Why do these things have to be so expensive?
That's all they do is eat. So this is $4. So I have 2 at home, but I love the piano stick. So I don't know. I love the piano sticks. I don't know. Guys, come on. So I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get that just so I can have. So, excuse me, mommy. Can I get one of this? Share. Share. I am not spending $4 on junk. So you guys have to share whatever it is that you guys are eating. Share it. Yeah. So. Layla. Here's Layla. I think it's Layla's new that I'm missing. Yay! So I'm gonna get those too. Huh? The free cookies? Yeah. Once we're leaving. What else I need to get? I have egg. I think that's it. Because I'm not spending all my money. Look what they're doing to me. Oh, these are on sale. I love jelly beans. These are the bubblegum flavored ones. On candy. Some little kid got to this. It's empty. Me. No. And we have sour chews for 83 cents. That's $1.24. I'm so hungry. Come on, we don't need candy. I'm going to rot your teeth.
Oh, this is not 0 fat. This is not 0 fat.
No, no, there's no such thing. Is there? I don't know.
And there's 10 calories.
10 calories?
Yeah.
For how many servings? No, son. It's 140 calories. What's the matter?
I got some for it too.
Oh, I'm gonna go.
Okay, what? The free cookie? Yeah. Well, let's cash out first. Okay. Scan your VIC card or enter your area code and phone number. If you do not have a VIC card, please scan your first item. Put it in the bag. Please place the item in the bag. Scan this item. Scan it. Put it in the bag. Check. Please wait for an attendant. Scan it. The barcode. The barcode. Put in the bag. Put in the bag. Next one. Put in the bag. Put it in the bag. We only use it in 2 bags, so shove that bread in there. Because we gotta pay for those bags. Place the item in the bag. Honey, just shove it in the back. Yeah, just shove it in the back. Don't worry about it. Shove it in the item. Alright. Next is the chicken. Scan it. The barcode is right behind your hand. Backside, come here. Put it in the bag. In the back. In the back. In the back, Jordan. Please place the item in the bag. The last thing is the chicken. Yeah, alright.
Put your belt on.
You'll see. My hurt.
Can you people put your belt on?
I did. I am Jackson's.
So, I got.
So I got Zoe's red. And
My day's gonna be ruined.
Layla's new.
Why don't you do this? Another You know what?
Hang on, people. Hang on.
You know what?
So, let's see.
The 1, 2, only. Did we make those?
Oh, suki niya.
That's my house.
This is a pretty color. Oh, guys, if you're like my skin complexion, and you need a nude. You need a nude. Oh, the lighting is bad. What? As soon as I start the vlog, sun come out. Sun want come out. As soon as I turn on the camera, sun want to come out. Why? Let's dance. Let's see what's on the radio. Okay, let's listen to the gospel. Let's put it. No, let's go back to the. That's all we want. Jackson, you want to sing to this one? Come on, come on. I love this song.
I'm so glad he died for me. I'm so glad so glad you rose for me.
Go down.
Sweet Jesus.
Please spit on me.
Sweet Jesus. Yes, Jill. Jill? 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 Help me sing. Jesus. Sweet Jesus. That's what we need in this car is Jesus, because I don't know what that is. Jesus, God is, He is God by Himself. The name, the name. Jesus. In the name of Jesus, name I must flee. That's the kind power He's given us. We can speak to that sickness and it will heal. That's what He said. In His word, yeah. He said, I've come to give you life more abundantly. And it's not for you.
Video Talks. I'm talking about Jesus. This is my next favorite song. I'm gonna go because we don't know what's wrong with the piano. And the chicken probably cold.